Incoming transmission from Field Professor Jerome.
I, Agent Jerome, have been researching Evildoer 53. Important discovery has found out that 53 was up to no good with his usual game. 106, and, of course, his twin brother, 53. I found this out because 53 only has two factors, both of which 53 is related to. One, which somehow everyone is related to, and his twin brother, 53. My research team has recovered information about 53 working with 106. They know this because when 53 joined up with 2, 106 came along. So we now know that 53 and 106 are all working together. Further researches show 53 hangs out with... Hold on, I need to get my research notes. 53 hangs out with 265. We found this out because when we researched their factors, 53 came up in both factors. The method you just saw is called the factor tree. This time I'm going to show listing. This listing method further enhances our theories about how 53 is related to 265. Here I listed both factors of 53 and 265. Here, like you saw just now in the factor tree method, 53 shows up both times in the factors of 265 and 53. What makes 53 tick? 53 is a very simple number. 53 only has two direct relatives, 1 and 53. This is what makes it tick. When 1 or 53 is in danger, he gets into a rage. So, these two numbers are what makes 53 tick. Now, I will enter where no other agents have ever dwelled before. Here, I will talk about how whether 53 is square free or not, whether he is abundant, deficient, or perfect, probably not perfect, and how he manages to blend into our daily lives. When a number has a square, it has to be a composite number, which is when it has more than two factors. 53, as you saw before, only has two, 1 and 53. Therefore, if a number has only two factors, which are 1 and itself, it cannot be a square number, because if a number is square, it must have two same numbers as a factor. To answer the extra information, yes, 53 is square free. To find out whether a number is abundant, deficient, or perfect, you have to find out the proper factors of that number. A proper factor is all the factors of a number that doesn't include itself. So in this case, for 53, it will be 1. Okay, so this says Sum of proper factors is more than base number. Is 1 more than 53? No. So it cannot be abundant. For perfect, it says sum of proper factors is equal to base number. Does 1 equal to 53? No. So that leaves deficient. Sum of proper factors is less than base number. Well, is 1 less than 53? Yes. Then it is deficient. Deficient? Get it? 53 is not efficient with his time. Okay, that was a bad joke. Now, for the final question. How does 53 sneak into our daily lives without even letting us know it? Well, 53. It comes in a time. So, for an example, 9:53 p.m. is when I sleep. "53. There, he shows up in our daily lives without letting us even know that he's there. So to answer the final question, 53 is always there when it's almost a new time. Dear Agents Lewis, Wick, and Harvey, now I will finish my presentation about our enemy 53. We must get rid of this evildoer.